So we're going to talk about in details Nvidia technical analysis. What's really going on with Nvidia and where we are sitting right now with Nvidia. Are we going to add more shares in Nvidia or not? But first thing, you can join the group. The link is down in the description, and also follow me on Instagram. The link is down in the description. So before that, I want to show you something. We also, in our group, we also trade and we make profits that you can see here. Let me just go code panel. You see here, right, $63,774 on Tesla in a single trade. We look, and you can watch my previous video, and see how I made it in a single trade. And even you can learn. If you join the group, of course, you have a lot of benefits. You can trade side by side with me, and you can generate this amount of profit. Again, going back to Nvidia. So going back to Nvidia, Nvidia is trading right now at $127.48. Well, was this a healthy pullback for Nvidia, or is just flushing down, or we are looking for more pullback? What I see this stock right now in the state of consolidation. So that means going on the sideways. So this is where we are heading and what we are looking for. So this is a consolidation. What we are right now, we are stuck in literally, so in this range, $129 to $118. So this is a range that Nvidia is trading. So if we break below this, probably we're gonna go to $110. So $110, we will mark it right here. This is the range. If we are flushing down, the next level we are looking is $110. So if it goes to $110, of course, that's a clear buy for me. And I'm gonna add more and more shares in Nvidia if it just goes to $110. But I don't think so that's really the case. But you never know, if any sort of or any kind of bad news or some negative sentiment comes in the market, the stocks, of course, it will not make any lag, just flushing down. It'll just flush down because that's kind of opportunity even for the short sellers who just want to short the stock and make some profit on the short side and for the short term. And again, of course, if someone wants to add for the big portfolio, they will be adding on $110. So $110, I think the worst case scenario, the stock might flush down. But again, we are not looking for this level right now because we are trading right now in a consolidation period, which is $129 and $118. But if it breaks above $129, again, we are looking for $133 because that's the tight range. What I see is we are very much stuck in. So we are very much stuck in this kind of range. So can be possible if it has no lags, no pullbacks anymore. This stock can really pump and go to even $136. $136, what I see, if it can even go in one single day, $136, and that can be possible even tomorrow or even day after tomorrow or by the end of next week, can be also possible, $136. But if it goes above all that, of course, I don't see $110 coming right into the margin here. So there are multiple scenarios that we are looking. The clean thing, what I see here right now, it's consolidating, absolutely consolidating. It has no uptrend, neither the downtrend. But if you have to count on this way, so on a daily basis, so that's where we can have that uptrend and we can reach to $141 again. Again in this range right here, $129, the resistance, and $118 support. If we take this uptrend support and just keep climbing up, and we can get squeezed here by Friday or by next Wednesday, then we can shoot up. We can shoot up to $132 or $137, and of course the next will be $141. That's all-time high that this stock it's gonna make it. So we will see here on a weekly chart where the stock is really sitting at. Look at this right now on a weekly chart. We had a massive sell-off last week, but also more than half of the candle is just bought back. So now again, this is kind of confused on a weekly chart. On a weekly chart, that we are having more selling pressure and we are having the upside down hammer candle, and of course this is kind of like tricky and also a little bit scary that this stock can keep flushing down to $110. But if it does so, folks, remember that's a clear buy. I'm going to keep on adding more and more shares on this kind of stock, Nvidia, and of course I will not make any decision by thinking, oh, should I buy, shouldn't I buy. I will never be thinking. Of course I will just keep going forward, of course, with my buy thing, and of course I'll approach that and I'll just keep on adding. If you want to know more, you can join the Discord down the link in the description, or else you can join the Instagram. You can follow me on Instagram, and even you have the link there, you can join the group, because we trade on a daily basis, we trade on a weekly basis, monthly basis, and look what amount of profit we make. We make $63,774 on a single day. If you watch my previous videos, we made $45,000 on a single trade on Tesla. So there are multiple stocks that we approach on a daily basis, and that's how we approach the market. And if you don't know, you can learn how to approach the market. You can grow your portfolio. You can give advantage to yourself and make some money. Stop working hard 9 to 5, and believe me, make some easy money, but by learning. By learning. I'm talking by learning. So you can, if you want, you can trade side by side with me and take advantage of that. Take advantage of that. If you want to be rich, of course, work and take risk. Always take risk. If you don't take risk, you will be stuck in one place. So right now, $129, we are looking for the uptrend, and the squeezing part, if we just blow up $129, but again, I think so, if it doesn't go tomorrow, day after tomorrow, probably by next Wednesday, we're gonna squeeze up, and this is the next part, $132. We want to break this. So we kind of got like two resistance point, 132 and 137. We want to break that. But again, it can also, one tricky part can be also $141 can be the double top, and again come back down to $129. Even this can be the massive position on Nvidia. Nvidia can make this kind of move, double top and come back. Like usually this kind of patterns happens on Apple. So this is the analysis of Nvidia, and this is how we will gonna approach Nvidia. And for now, it's still a clear buy for me, but anyways, for a long term, yes, it's a clear buy for me. And $110, we will see if the trend line breaks down the $118, then we are looking for $110. And that's, I really don't think so that $110 it's on the radar. And if that's on the radar, of course, again, I'm gonna just keep buying and I'm just add to my portfolio. Thank you so much for watching. Probably see you in the next video. Follow me on Instagram and join the group, and you'll have amazing benefits. You can literally trade and grow your portfolios, folks. Thank you, and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel and wait for more videos. Bye-bye.